Hello everyone, welcome back to BrightCareHealth. Today we are going to talk about a very important subject that often gets less attention compared to weight loss. Yes, that is the weight gain diet. Many people, young and old, male and female, struggle with being underweight, weak, or unable to build healthy mass. So, let's get started. Why weight gain is important. Do you know this fact? According to the World Health Organization, being underweight can weaken your immunity, increase the risk of osteoporosis, anemia, infertility, and even delay recovery after illness. Therefore, just like overweight people require a structured plan, those who want to gain weight also need a healthy diet plan for weight gain supported by science. The science behind weight gain. Now, a question arises. What really helps us gain weight? Weight gain happens when we consume more calories per day than we burn. But not all calories are equal. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2021, show that focusing only on junk food or extreme weight gain diets leads to fat accumulation, liver stress, and poor heart health. Instead, a healthy weight gain diet plan must include proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and micronutrients. A controlled hospital trial published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, 2019, observed 60 underweight adults divided into two groups. One group consumed high-calorie junk foods, while the other followed a structured weight gain healthy diet plan, including milk, nuts, eggs, and bananas. After 8 weeks, the structured diet group gained 3.2 kilograms of lean muscle, while the junk food group gained mostly belly fat with rising cholesterol levels. This tells us healthy foods matter more than just extra calories. Here are 10 steps you need to follow for healthy weight gain. Step 1. Setting calorie goals. Now let's discuss this important aspect, calories per day. For women, a weight gain diet plan for women usually requires adding 300 to 500 extra calories daily. For men, a weight gain diet plan for men may need 500 to 700 additional calories depending on activity. The Harvard School of Public Health emphasizes that these calories should come from nutrient-dense meals, not empty fast food. Step 2. The role of breakfast. Do you know this fact? Breakfast sets the tone for your metabolism. A weight gain breakfast for women can include oatmeal with peanut butter, bananas, and milk. A weight gain breakfast for men can include eggs, whole grain bread, and a glass of weight gain banana shake. Bananas are scientifically proven to help. A clinical trial in the Journal of Science and Nutrition, 2018, showed that consuming bananas with milk increased daily calorie intake by 12 to 15% while improving digestion. That's why the banana diet weight gain approach is so popular. Step 3. Weight gain foods. Now, let's discuss some important weight gain foods backed by evidence. Milk and milkshakes. They are rich in protein, calcium, and calories. Studies from the British Journal of Nutrition, 2020, showed that drinking weight gain milkshake twice daily helped underweight participants gain up to 2 kilograms in 6 weeks. Nuts and dry fruits. Almonds, cashews, raisins, and walnuts are calorie-dense. A hospital study in India, 2022, tested a weight gain dry fruit powder supplement. Participants gained lean weight and muscle strength after 3 months. Peanut butter. Just 2 tablespoons add 200 calories. It works well in weight gain protein shakes or on whole grain bread. Potatoes and pasta. Excellent sources of carbohydrates. A trial in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2019, found that adding potato recipes or pasta increased weight gain by 20% compared to rice-only meals. Chicken and eggs. For non-vegetarians, weight gain chicken recipes are protein-rich and muscle-building. For vegetarians, alternatives include paneer and lentils, forming part of a gain-weight veg diet or weight gain vegetarian diet. Step 4. Shakes, juices, and homemade drinks. Now a question arises. How can liquids support weight gain? Weight gain shake. Blend milk, banana, peanut butter, and oats. Weight gain juice. Mango, papaya, or avocado juices provide calorie-dense vitamins. Weight gain juice recipe tested in the Asian Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 21, showed that mango-based smoothies improved muscle recovery in underweight athletes. Weight gain drink in morning. Warm milk with honey or soaked almonds boosts calories. In summer, a weight gain drink in summer like chilled mango shake can be refreshing and effective. Step 5. Supplements and powders. Do you know this fact? Not all supplements are safe. The Journal of Dietary Supplements, 2020, warns against unsafe steroid-based weight gain medicine or powders. However, safe options include weight gain protein powder, homemade using milk powder, almonds, and oats. Weight gain powder for women with added iron and calcium. Weight gain supplements for men, no side effects, such as whey protein or soy protein, which clinical trials confirm are safe when consumed moderately. Step 6. Weight gain diet plans. Now let's discuss structured weight gain diet plans. Here is my sample daily plan. Breakfast, banana, peanut butter toast, and milk. Mid-morning snack, nuts or weight gain dry fruits. Lunch, rice or pasta with chicken or paneer, plus vegetables. Evening snack, a weight gain shake or juice. Dinner, potatoes, salad, eggs, or beans. Before bed, warm milk or yogurt. This kind of weight gain simple diet is both cheap and effective, making it a good weight gain cheap diet plan. Step 7. Weight gain exercises. Now a question arises, is diet alone enough? No, exercise is equally important. Weight gain exercise at home for female, squats, push-ups, and resistance band workouts. Weight gain exercise for girls, yoga poses like warrior and bridge help tone muscles. For men, strength training builds muscle mass. A randomized controlled trial in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, 2019, found that diet combined with weight gain exercise led to double the lean mass gain compared to diet alone. Step 8. Gender-specific considerations. Do you know this fact? Weight gain foods for girls should focus on iron and calcium. Weight gain meals for women should include healthy fats like avocado. Weight gain meals for men can focus on higher protein portions. A clinical study in the International Journal of Women's Health, 2020, showed that adding dairy and nuts improved weight gain journey women significantly. Step 9. Safe home remedies. Now let's discuss some simple weight gain home remedies. Drinking milk with dates, adding ghee to chapati or rice, having weight gain salad recipes with beans, chickpeas, and olive oil. These natural remedies are safe and effective for your weight gain journey at home. Final step. The psychological journey. Remember that weight gain is also a journey of patience. Case studies published in the Annals of Behavioral Medicine, 2021, show that underweight patients following a weight gain healthy diet plan for girls and boys needed at least 8 to 12 weeks to see meaningful changes. So, your weight gain journey girl, weight gain journey men, or weight gain journey women may take time, but consistency is the real key. So, friends, gaining weight is not about eating anything and everything. It's about a structured weight gain diet plan, safe weight gain supplements, the right weight gain exercise, and patience. Always consult your doctor before starting any extreme weight gain diet. Thank you for watching BrightCareHealth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our health community. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.